Namaste. Hello friends, my name is Dr. Pranjal Chaure. I am a homeopath practicing in Nagpur since 2011. Welcome to my YouTube channel about homeopathic books. In the videos on this channel, you will learn about various homeopathic books on different subjects. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to share it with your friends. So let's start with today's topic. Hello friends, today's topic is homeopathic books on organon of medicine. The first book is Bird's Eye View, a lecture on Hahnemann's Organon of Medicine by John H. Clarke. Dr. J. H. Clarke was born in the year 1853 and died in the year 1931. He was a stalwart British homeopath. Details about the author have been given in previous videos. It's a small booklet of 24 pages. Dr. Clarke has referred the 5th edition of the Organon of Medicine by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann with an appendix by Dr. R.E. Duggan, MD. This lecture was originally delivered at the London Homeopathic Hospital as a part of a postgraduate series. The author believes the contents of Hahnemannian philosophy will get a new lease of life with this book. The contents are a special chapter on Hippocrates and Hahnemann, analysis of the Organon 5th edition, which is a very valuable data, illustrative extracts from the work of Hahnemann's introduction and from the Organon. The next book is The Hidden Treasures of the Last Organon by Pierre Schmidt. Dr. Pierre Schmidt was born in the year 1894 and died in the year 1987. He was a Swiss homeopath. Dr. Schmidt was introduced to the results of homeopathic treatment during the 1918 flu epidemic while living in London. There he met both J. H. Clarke and Dr. Sir John Weir. In 1922, he came to the United States and began his studies with Alonzo Austin and Frederica Gladwin, who had been a pupil of Kent's, Dr. J.T. Kent. He became the first graduate of the American Foundation for Homeopathic Course for Doctors. He returned to Geneva, Switzerland and set up his practice. He was responsible for reintroducing classical homeopathy into Europe. He taught several physicians including Elizabeth Wright Hubbard. Dr. Schmidt edited the final general repertory of the Kent and also translated Organon into French. In 1925, he was the main founder of Liga, that is Liga Medicorum Homeopathic Internationalis, which is an international organization of classical homeopathic physicians. His laboratory included the latest machines for the making of potencies. He had a collection of 3,000 volumes of books in his library and was one of the rarest homeopathic collections in the world. The contents of this book were published in the British Homeopathic Journal of the July to October of 1954. This book highlights the great changes by Dr. Hahnemann in the 6th edition of the Organon and were brought to the attention of the homeopathic community. The main points which the author raises in this book are either entirely new and somewhat revolutionary when compared with accepted notions, divulged and applied in the 5th earlier editions of the Organon. The next book is Hahnemann's Organon of the Art of Healing, restated by C. A. Baldwin. He was an American homeopath. He was an MD. This book describes each aphorism of Dr. Hahnemann's Organon of Medicine in simple words and also discusses the concept of chronic miasms, psora, syphilis and psychosis. The next important book is Guide to Organon by Dr. K. N. Mathur. Dr. K. N. Mathur is an Indian homeopathic stalwart. He completed his MBBS from Lucknow and he did his MF Homeopathy from London. This book was published in the year 1968. Book was written after 10 years of teaching experience of Organon. The author has tried to arrange the different subjects discussed in the Organon in a regular manner, that is homeopathy in general, homeopathic physician, principles of homeopathy, diseases, remedies, law of cure, case taking, case recording for chronic diseases, diagnosis, anamnesis, selection of the simillimum, repetition, potency and other subjects. Questions are prepared on each of these subjects in such a way as they may include the whole subject, the matter of the Organon. The answers are also prepared to the point and in a simple language so that they may derive maximum benefit both in understanding the subject and answer the questions properly. The next book is Organon of Medicine, simplified by Dr. S. G. Persule. Dr. S. G. Persule was a DMS from Kolkata. He was a doctor practicing in Pune, India. This book was published in 1972. Author has referred the 5th edition of Organon. Dr. Persule has done his DMS from Calcutta Medical College in the year 1948 to 52. He was a student of Dr. B.K. Bose. Dr. B.K. Bose, who was born in 1879 to 1977, who went to France and then to New York, USA. He was a direct disciple or the student of Dr. J.T. Kent. He also knew Sir John Weir. So you can see that Dr. Persule studied from B.K. Bose. The contents are preface and introduction, brief sketch of life of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, brief and simple elaboration of 294 aphorisms of the 5th edition of the Organon. The next book is Studies in Organon by Leonard Gomes. Dr. Leonard Gomes was a MA, BT, DMS. He was a lecturer of Organon at D&Day Homeopathic Hospital, Calcutta. The first edition was published in 1970. He wrote this book after 10 years of experience as a lecturer of Organon. This book is divided into 2 parts. Part 1 includes all the basic concepts of Organon in question and answers pattern. Part 2 includes important concepts of Organon in question and answer pattern with a synopsis of Kent's observation. The next book is Question and Answers on Organon of Medicine by Dr. Mahendra Singh. This book comes in 2 parts. Dr. Mahendra Singh was born in the year 1939 and died in 2012. He graduated in 1960. He was a DMS from Calcutta and MBS from West Bengal. He was the head of Department Organon in Calcutta Homeopathic Medical College, also Chairman Education Committee of Central Council of Homeopathy India. He also knew German language and had a teaching experience of 30 years. This book comes in 2 parts. This book contains question and answers on all the important concepts of Organon of Medicine. It also contains symptoms of SORA, syphilis and psychosis with the list of antisoric, antisyphilitic and antipsychotic remedies. Well, the next book is Organon of Medicine, 6th edition by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, which was published in the year 1921. We all use this book for our references. But I'll be showing you the first edition of the Organon. Organon of Rational Art of Healing by Samuel Hahnemann. This is the book which was published in the year 1810. The first edition gives the original idea of Hahnemann in formulating new concepts, principles and theories of homeopathy. It gives the original unmodified and unedited thought process of Dr. Hahnemann. This book enriches the reader with the whole process of evolution of homeopathic system of medicine. This book is translated in English by Dr. Mahendra Singh, published in the year 2010. This foreword is given by Dr. Ishwara Das, who was the director of National Institute of Homeopathy, Kolkata. An earlier attempt was made to translate first edition of Organon of Medicine by Dr. C.E. Wheeler. The next book is Organon of the Medical Art by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, edited and annotated by Wenda Brewster O'Reilly, PhD. This is one of the best books on Organon. Wenda Brewster O'Reilly, she is an American homeopath. She is a PhD and holds a master degree from Harvard University and a doctorate in education from Stanford. She conducted research on women's healthcare and childbirth practices as an affiliated scholar at Stanford's University Institute for Research on Women and Gender. In her role as the executive director of the Birthplace, a California out-of-hospital childbirth center, she worked closely with community groups and government agencies, advocating change in the way medicine is practiced and understood. She has served as a president and publisher of the Birdcage Press since its founding in 1996. She lives with her family in Palo Alto, California and also in Washington, D.C. This book has been recommended by Dr. Roger Morrison, George Vitulkas, Miranda Castro, Richard Pitcairn, Jeremy Sher, Julian Winston. Millions of copies of this book have been sold around the world. This book is a widely acclaimed annotated edition of Samuel Hahnemann's Organon of the Medical Art, which is used in teaching homeopathy around the world. It is the best translation of the 6th edition of Organon. This book is divided into chapters and sections along with side headings and editorial footnotes. which provides focus for other thoughts, for our thoughts. This translation is as comprehensible and accessible as possible. The glossary has definitions of medical terms used in the organon as well as the translation notes on specific words which will enable readers to understand what Hahnemann meant. The names of medicines and medicinal substances, whether Latin or common, appear in Roman type and not italics, since Hahnemann used the common and the Latin names both in reference to unpotentized substances and potentized medicines. Well, the next common book is A Treatise on Organon of Medicine. This book comes in 3 parts. This book is written by Dr. Ashok Kumar Das. Dr. Ashok Kumar Das was a MSc, MD Homeopathy, PGR from Bombay and DCP from USA. This book comes in 3 parts. It's a comprehensive textbook for homeopathic students and practitioners. Most of the students in homeopathic colleges refer this book to pass the examination on the subject of organon. This book was first published in 1985. This book is forwarded by Dr. Diwan Harishchand. Dr. Diwan Harishchand was an MBBS, LRCP Edinburgh, DTMNH Liverpool, MD Homeopathy, FF Homeopathy London, DST USA, and former physician to President of India. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.